Shit! Ah! Ay! Anong gabuhaton ako ni Song Kogalingon? Shit!
Meanwhile,
Ah! Awa na. Bakit akong balibo, bro? Fuck! Oh my god! Hey! What the f... Stop! Stop! Fuck! Shit! Skip. Oh no, that's fucking... Ah! Fuck! Oh! Just a dog. The fucking... Kuha mong iro! Dalay mong iro! Kuha mong iro! Yawa ka, gibiyaan mo mong iro! Bugok ka! Dalay mong iro! Dalay mong iro! Fuck you. You fucking left the dog, motherfucker! Michael Jackson, ikaw ba yan? Then I jump scared ayun. I jump... Fuck! Go yun, family catches something terrifying on a camera. Ninidagan? Fuck. Dagan? Ninidagan? 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 Ooh. Ninidagan lagi.
I haven't been down here in a really long time, like a month or two. After what happened, I like couldn't come down here. So
Ready na ako ang post button, guys, para makukulat ko. I-post na ako. Skip na yun.
my family's come down here a lot, and so is my brother. And
I'm so sorry, guys. Akong ilong yun. Bugat gid gipingot ko. Isipon magig ko shit.
they say they've
Bear with me.
seen nothing, and my brother I made him look through every single room.
Every single word, you're like, I know, I've been too
I
mad.
need to finish this video.
Fuck you.
So I'm doing it. So
What do you mean you're doing it?
and I'm going to
Fuck! Lad, kailangan lang ako ka-therapy later.
reason I had to move out of my flat. I was home alone.
What is that? Is that a... What to? Dog. I thought my dog was looking at his reflection. Fuck. Time to move out. Oh, the moment nga maginato akong iro, mugawas na ko diretso, bahala na ng rent dia. Bahala na ng 1 year nga advance to pay. Bullshit kung inato, mulakaw ko eh. What do I do? Fuck, no! Ayaw! Sirado! Fuck! Fuck! Fuck you.